Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Carol. How are you today? Okay, I am good. Please get your book, Math in Action 6A, and please open your book on page 76. Please open your book on page 76. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. So our topic for today is about finding the HCF using prime factorization. Okay? Our topic for today is about finding the HCF using the prime factorization. What is the example, what is the HCF of 6 and 12? What is the HCF? Our highest common factor. Okay, HCF means highest common factor. Okay, so what is the HCF of 6 and 12? Okay, so here, work factor 6 and 12. Number 2, find the common factors of 6 and 12, which are 2 and 3. Number 3, determine the highest common factor, which is 2 and 3. Okay, so work here. 6 equals 2 times 3. And then 12 is equals to 2 times 2 is equals to 4. And then 4 times 3 is equals to 12, right? Okay, so the first common prime factor is 2. Okay, so they both have 2. That's the first common prime factor. Okay, so number 2. The second common prime factor is 3. Okay, so they both have 3. Okay, so the second common prime factor is 3. And the third common prime factor is 2 times 3. Okay, so they both have 2 times 3. Therefore, the highest common factor of 6 and 12 is 6. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so that's the highest common factor of 6 and 12 is 6. Okay, so here, please answer your book. Okay, so here, find the common factors. Find the common factors and the HCF of the counting numbers. Okay, again, find the common factors and the HCF of the counting numbers. Example, 14 equals 2 times 7. Right? 2 times 7 is equals to 14. 56. Okay, 56. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 8 times 7 is equals to 56. So the common factors are 2, 7. 2, 7, and 2 times 7. They both have 2 and 7, and then 2 times 7. The HCF is 2 times 7 is equals to 14. Okay, so here, please answer your book. Here, I give you one more example. So one more example, 15. Okay, so what is the common factors and HCF of 15 and 45? Okay, so 15 equals 3 times 5, and then 45 equals 3 times 3 times 5. The common factors are 3, 5, and 3 times 5. The HCF is 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Okay, understand? Okay, now please answer your book. Okay, there. Please answer your book on page 76 and 77. Okay, so 77. Find the common factors and the HCF of the counting numbers. Okay, so find the common factors and HCF. Okay, and number 3, find the common factors and the HCF of the counting numbers. Find the common factors and the HCF of the counting numbers. Okay, example number 1. 42 and 56. 42 and 56. Okay, so 42 is equals to 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 6 times 7 is equals to 42. Okay? And then 56 is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 2 is equals to 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 8 times 7 is equals to 56. Okay, so the HCF of 42 and 56 is 2 times 7 is equals to 14. Okay, 2 and 7. So 2 times 7 because 56 don't have 3. Okay, here. And now, please open your book on page 78. Okay, page 78. Page 78, finding the HCF by short division. What is the HCF of 24, 32, and 72? Okay, so that's three number, okay? So work, step 1, 2 divided by 24, and 2 divided by 32, and 2 divided by 72. Okay, so work here, work. Choose a number. Choose a number that at three numbers choose a number that all three numbers are divisible by that number, which is 2. Okay, again, choose a number that all three numbers are divisible by that number. Okay, so what number is divisible by 24, 32, and 72? It's number 2, which is 2, right? And then number 2, choose a number that all three quotients are divisible by that number. Okay, so step 2, again, choose a number that all three quotients are divisible by that number. Okay, so which is 4. Okay, so 4 4 is divisible by all three numbers. Divisible by 12, divisible by 16, and divisible by 36. Okay, so 4 divided by 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. And then 36 divided by 4 is equals to 9. Step 3. Division stops here. Okay, so division stops here. Since there is no more common factor of 3, 4, and 9 except 1. Okay, so we have to stop from there. We have to stop from there because there is no more common factor of 3, 4, and 9 except 1. The steps above can be merged into series of short division. Okay. The steps above can be merged into series of short division. So it's like this. So 24 divided by 2, 32 divided by 2, 72. So 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. And then 32 divided by 2 is equals to 16. And then 72 divided by 2 is equals to 36. And then what number is divisible? Which number is divisible by 12, 16, and 36? Which is number 4. So 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. 36 divided by 4 is equals to 9. And it stops, and we stops from there. Okay, because there's no more common factor. Okay, the HCF of 24, 32, and 72 is 2 times 4 equals 2 and 4. Okay, so the highest common factor of 24, 32, and 72 is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Okay, so that's it. And then here, please answer your book. Find the HCF of the counting numbers by short division. Okay, example. Example, what is the HCF of 24, 60, and 72? Okay, so 24, 60, and 72. 24 is divisible by 2. 24, 60, and 72 are divisible by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. 60 divided by 2 is equals to 30. And then 72 divided by 2 is equals to 36. And what is the common factor again of 12, 30, and 36? So now we have to find the common factors of 12, 30, and 36, which is 2 again, right? Okay, so let's divide 12 divisible. Find the number that is divisible by 12, 30, and 36. So okay, 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. And then 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15. 36 divided by 2 is equals to 18. So the answer is 6, 15, 18. And now let's find the number. Okay, so let's choose a number that all three numbers quotients are divisible by that number. Okay, so what is the number that is divisible by 6, 15, and 18? It's 3. So that's the common factor. Okay, so here 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. And then 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. So therefore, the HCF of 24, 60, and 72 is 2 times 2 times 3 is equals to 12. Okay, so the HCF of 24, 60, and 72 is 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 3 is equals to 12. Okay, another example. Okay, one more example. 36 and 48. So what number we that all three numbers quotients are divisible by 36 and 48? Okay, so 36 and 48, what number? It's number 2. Okay, so 2, which is 2. So now let's divide 36 divided by 2 is equals to 18. And then 48 divided by 2 is equals to 48 divided by 2 is equals to 24. Okay, and then let's find the number again that is divisible by 18 and 24. Okay, so 2 again. Okay, 2. So let's divide 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. And then 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. Okay, and now 9 and 12, right? Okay, so 9 and 12, we can still divide it. So what is the common factor of 9 and 12? Which number is divisible by 9 and 12? It's 3. Okay, 3. So 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. And then 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Therefore, the HCF of 36 and 48 is 2 times 2 times 3 is equals to 12. Okay, so that's the HCF of 36 and 48. Okay, understand? Okay, please answer your book on page 79, 78, 78, 77. Okay, so start from 76, 77, 78, and 79. Okay, it's 4 page. Okay, but it's easy. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know, or you can also ask Teacher Ploy. Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.